What's up guys, it's Gyon here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a video about a specific type of camera, an action camera that I've been planning on buying for a while now. I was meaning to buy it when it first came out, but I didn't. I'm glad I didn't, because I wasn't really going to use it until now, because me and my family are actually going to go on a holiday soon, hopefully. And I think it was the right purchase to make, because it's going to be a lot of fun, a lot of adventures, a lot of water stuff. And this camera is going to be perfect for that. So yeah, let's get into it. Ow. What do you mean? Alright. Excuse the setup, yo. Alright, let's get it going. We got the GoPro Hero 8 Black. Bought it from JB Hi-Fi. There goes my wrapping. Be right back. This is not like a sponsored video or any of that bullshit, so don't worry. This is just me buying stuff that I want. Alright, let's get to it. Let's get to the opening. I got the special bundle. They had a special bundle, so it's got some things included already, so I'll get to that in a minute. Okay, dude. Rubbish. In my rubbish bin. Let's see how they fit all this in. At the shops, I thought they had to give us the accessories separate, but apparently it's squished into this box, so let's get it. Yo. Well, that was simple. Straight out of the box. First things first, it's black, not silver. It feels so weird. It's so weird having a new GoPro. I'm so used to using my old piece of crap GoPro. You know this base plate that comes with the packaging? If you guys have had a GoPro before, it comes with this base plate with a little mount attached. I like keeping it because when I put it in on my shelf, the GoPro can just sit there nice, you know? I like it. Alright, let's get into it. Stickers, nothing better. Oh, these are nice. These are nice stickers. Shout out GoPro with the stickers, man. That's fire. Sponsor me if you want. I mean, like, I'll travel for you. I don't care. I don't usually read this stuff. I just kind of roll with it, figure it out by myself. That's just me. I don't know. I don't really know anyone who reads the instructions with things like this. Now they fit all these accessories in this box. I'd love to see it. We're about to. SD card. We got a SanDisk Extreme 32GB. Yep. With a SD adapter. Cool. Get right into it. This one came with spare battery. So it comes with one battery. And a spare. Which is always good, because there's nothing worse than running out of battery. That's a charger. It's a Type-C charger. It's Type-C. On my one was, I don't even know what they call it, the old GoPro charger. I don't even care. Let's go new. I like new. Head strap. Bundled up. Love it. Love to see it. I've already got 2 head straps at home, so maybe I'll give this one away. Oh, I'll give the old one away. Probably not. I'm probably lying. Head strap. Love it. Probably gonna use this a lot. My head's not that big, but yeah, probably gonna use that a lot. So I got that's just a standard GoPro head strap. Comes with this mini tripod do-gag thing. I was really shook that this bundle came with this. This is actually pretty cool. Pretty small and compact. You can use that as a tripod. Even like a selfie stick if you're into like vlogging with GoPros. Let's see how this opens up. Okay. Alright. Phase 1. What else does it do? Whoa, calm down. Alright. We got yourself a little tripod, yo. See this little rubber? Let me see. See this little rubber thing right here? I don't know when the GoPro introduced this, but I kind of like it. You gotta like release that rubber, and then you gotta squeeze and push, and that's how you release it. Way cooler. Comes with a curved adhesive mount. I don't really use these. I'd rather use suction cups, things like that. I don't know. I'll keep it. See what I'm gonna do. And that's where the battery goes. It's something a little bit different to me. Not used to that one, but gonna have to get used to it. Battery, obviously, in. Shabam. That's also where the charging goes as well. I kind of like that. The charging Type-C charging port, the SD card, and the battery goes in one spot. Like I like that. Makes the design more minimal. Now, anything minimal is cool to me. I don't care what anyone says. All like the new GoPros are like, every feature is new to me because I haven't had a new GoPro. I've had like the Hero 4, as you know. So all these features are new to me. So we got, not all of them, but you know what I mean. We just got 12 megapixel camera, 4K 60, 1080p, 240, which is awesome. I like slow-mo. 8x slow-mo, hyper smooth 2.0, which is apparently, according to the reviews, better than the hyper smooth on the Hero 7. Got time warp 2.0. Never used time warp on a GoPro. 1080p live streaming. I don't know if I use live streaming. That's pretty cool though. I might give it a try. We'll see. Live burst. Never used that. Super photo plus HDR. RAW, which is cool. Obviously, got the weird pivot arm thingy. What do you call this? The pivot arm right down here. GPS. Never. Did I have that? I don't know. I don't remember. GPS. And 10-meter water depth. Yeah, this is good. This is good. I like this. I like the bundle that it came with too. Came with things that I would have bought. Like things like this. This is like nice. Like I can use this selfie mode and stuff like that. That's cool. I like that. I've got a floaty handle too. Might use that more often because I'm probably gonna use the GoPro more often in the water and doing like stuff that would get my camera ruined. Something I can care less about in a way. That's why I got this. We can do a little bit of footage testing. Yeah, let's get it. Right now this is gonna be a comparison with my old GoPro, the Hero 4, compared to the Hero 8. I'm just gonna do walk around selfie mode. All the audio is gonna be off my Hero 8. I'm not gonna use the Hero 4 audio because it's in a case, as you can see. But yeah, we're just gonna do some running, see what the hyper smooth is about. And obviously the Hero 4 doesn't have hyper smooth. I wanna see how much hyper smooth really helps when I'm doing a running scene. If you hear me dragging my feet, it's because I'm wearing my thongs. But I'm just gonna send it anyways. So let's get it going. I'm gonna do the first running scene like a selfie stick, like facing me, and then I'm gonna do the next running scene of it facing forward. All right. All right, next one. The reason why I'm doing this video is because obviously I want to show you guys the difference between like our previous generation of GoPros. I'm only comparing really couple of things. For starters, quality. I'm assuming, I haven't looked through it yet, but I'm assuming that the quality on the Hero 8 will be a million times better than the Hero 4. The main part of it was I really did need to upgrade because I have the Hero 4 and it's a little bit crappy if you ask me. Like, it's not, like, you can do with it, but thought may as well make videos, I may as well upgrade to Hero 8. When I heard about Hyper's moving to Hero 7, I was like, I gotta get that. So that's another reason why I'm comparing it to see if it's really a big difference. I'm assuming it was because I've seen a lot of videos out comparing like Hero 7 to the Hero 8, but I really wanted to do a huge contrast because I know that a lot of people have the old GoPros, and if it's worth the money, I would recommend it, and I'm pretty sure it is. Another reason why I'm making this video is because I was considering buying a secondary camera for making vlogs, because I use my A7 III for everything, and it gets a bit annoying to switch up lenses to make vlogs and film and then switch to take photos. It's a bit tricky. So I got the GoPro because I needed a new one, and if I can knock two birds in one stone, making this my vlog camera as well, that'll be easy as. But definitely early days, so I'm gonna check. Oh my god, every time. Hello. Yeah, I wanted to get a vlogging camera, like purely for vlogging, so I don't have to change lenses on my main camera. So if the GoPro does good, which I'm assuming it will, so I can even upgrade the GoPro by buying the new module with a mic, the flip up screen or whatever, lights and stuff like that. I'm sure that will just improve the quality of the videos. But hopefully, if this does good, like, GoPros are so little I can just put it in my pocket, go around for the day, doesn't really bother me, and I can use that as my vlogging camera and shoot on my main camera, and that would be ideal. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Follow my Instagram, that'll be in the description. If you follow me there, you'll see when I post a new YouTube video. You can even see what I'm drawing through the week, on the weekend, all the dumb shit that I do. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.